Good evening, students. This is Sai Teja Reddy. I am from Narayana Tech House. Today, I will discuss a problem regarding displaying of a special characters in the given string. Okay. So first, we will take the string. Let s is equal to py @th hash on and question mark. Let us take some symbols into the string. Okay. Then. So we will take one empty list after this one, like lst is equal to an empty list. So we are taking for an empty list, and then we will take that values into the list. Okay. Okay. We will go for using for loop for I in s. Okay. So what this will do is like, it will take each and every character of this string. Like for I is equal to 0 means it will take p, and for I is equal to, let's take py @th hash on. In this for loop, I will give like how it will goes. Like for I is equal to 0, it will take p. For I is equal to 1, it will take y, and these characters will be going into for the for loop. Okay. Then in this we will verify that the character is special or not. So for that, we have one function that is all num of. This is alpha numeric. If the character is alphabet or digit, it will give true value, otherwise it will be false. Okay. Yeah. Then moving further, we will write like this condition, if condition, we will write it. If this I dot is all num, then if the character is, if it is a alphabet or numerics, we will have to continue this one. We don't want to print that one, no, so we will continue it. Continue. If it is not an alphabet or a digit, so we want to print that one. So what we will do is, we will take into this list. So we will write it as list dot append of I. Then we will come out of the for loop and we will print of lst. We will get it like in a list. We will get symbols like @ and hash and this one. We will get it in a list form. Okay guys, mainly in this program we will just we have to know about is alpha numeric and continue function. Yes, if it is a number or alphabet, it will be continued, and the looping will be continued until if any special symbol appears. Now I am going to be explaining the process which will be taken in the for loop by taking each and every index of the string. Okay. Let's coming into the for loop for I in s. It means for s, I will taking that s indexing of the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we have 9 characters. So for the I is equal to 0, that means it will take the p character. P dot is all num. P is an alphabet, so obviously it will give true value. So it will move into the inside loop. So continue. What it means is like, again go for the loop. So it will go again into the loop, and then if for I in for I value will be changed as 1. So 1 dot is all num, like y is all num, true, because y is an alphabet. So again it will continue. It won't print this one. It will continue again, and it will go for I is equal to 2. 2 is @. So we will take @. Is all num, this one. So @ is not an alphabet or not an digit, so it will obviously go for false, because the if condition is failed in I is equal to 2 case. So it will go to the next line. It will append the value to the list which we have taken in the initial phase. Okay, like it will go for list. Initially it is empty list, and it will be appending as list is equal to @ initially. Then again it will go for t. I is equal to 3, no, then it will go for t. T is alphabet, so again continue. Next H, again it is also alphabet, so again it will be continuing. Then it is going for I is equal to 5, which is hash. Hash is not a alphanumeric. Again the condition is failed. It will go for the second next appending. It will be appending as like already at the rate is there, so then it will go for hash. Then it will go moving to the index as 6th, which is 0. Sorry, sorry guys. Then O is O is alphabet only, so it will again continue. It won't print again, and again 7th index N, which is also a alphabet, so it again continue for until it will searches for the special symbol question mark. So it is not a alphanumeric, so it is special symbol. So again this condition is false, which is going to print appending the statement. Finally our list will be at the rate, comma, hash, comma, question mark. This is the final list which will going to be print in the output. Okay guys.